Hi friends, in today's video we will do a winter scene in watercolors. So as we are working with watercolors, to show the snow in a winter scene, we'll have to have the whites of the paper. So either we can leave the whites as we paint or we could use a masking fluid to do the same. In today's painting, I am just going to leave the white and paint the rest of the area. Hi, this is Modula for Modula Creations. Let's get started. For today's painting, I am going to use this Daler and Rowney pan travel set, and I am going to use two brushes. One is size 8 and other is 00 brush. And I am going to work on the Fabriano watercolor paper. You could use any watercolor paper that you have. All the materials used are given in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll just start by blocking out the areas for this picture. I'm not going to go into any details, so only the outlines of the bigger areas I'm going to mark. So once that is done, I'll directly start to paint with a sky. If you are new to my channel, I'm posting video tutorials every single week. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos are out. Since this is a winter scene, I wanted the clouds to have more of a grey and blue tone to it. For the sun rays, I'm going to use a yellow and an orange. I'll be using a combination of cobalt blue and little bit of cerulean blue on the sky. And for the sun rays, it's going to be a gamboge hue with an orange. So you could also mix the gamboge hue with the scarlet lake to get the orange tone. So for the snow, even though we wanted to block in white areas, we'll not be using white color from the watercolor. So we have to leave the areas white as we paint, but the snow cannot be completely white. So you'll have to have certain tones of grays and blues to it. And also, since the sun rays is directly falling on the snow, we have to show a tinge of orange to the snow. Also, we can add light purple or pink colors to the snow. But everything has to be very subtle and very mild to have the appearance of the snow. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also do subscribe to my channel. I've linked the other useful videos here, so please go and check that out too. See you in the next video. Bye bye.